Hello friends and patients. Today we look into a proven DIY hair loss treatment combination that really works to regrow hair in both men and women. We learn everything about the inexpensive Derma Rollers plus a miracle secret combo treatment that really works wonders to cure baldness. We'll also learn how to correctly use Derma Rollers, what else you can get rid of using these microneedling devices, what precautions to take and other useful tips. All that's coming up. Before we start, please click on the bell notification to receive updates whenever I add any useful episode. Please do not skip anything in this episode and stay hooked till the end. Now let's begin. What is a derma roller? Also called derma rolling, microneedling and also collagen induction treatment. It's a simple DIY procedure in which thousands of little tiny needles are inserted into the surface of the skin using a rolling or a stamping device. Do not get scared, though it looks invasive and scary. The needles are just about 0.25 mm or 0.5 mm deep for the task. It can be safely used at home without any dermatologist consultation. What does this derma roller actually do? That is the mechanism of action of derma rollers. Rolling tiny needles on your skin induces minute microscopic wounds underneath the skin layers, which induces collagen and elastin production. We'll not go into the molecular details of this, how this happens, but just remember two things that happen after microneedling. Number 1, neocollagenesis, that is production of new collagen tissue under the skin. And number 2, neovascularization, meaning formation of new blood vessels or capillaries, which happen due to the release of growth factors following needle piercing of the stratum corneum layer of the skin. Please watch this video till the end. We'll demonstrate on how to use derma roller for hair growth and also reveal you the miracle hair growth formula for guaranteed hair growth. Well, now what are the medical uses of derma rollers? Apart from hair regrowth and baldness treatment, it's primarily used to treat acne scar removal and also for facial rejuvenation and anti-aging treatment, and also for transdermal drug delivery like PRP and mesotherapy that can be combined with derma rolling. Now, what size derma roller should I select? Derma roller size is based on its microneedle size, ranging from 0.2 mm to 3 mm depending on what you want to achieve. Like for removing deeper scars, you may need deeper penetration. Never use deeper needles like 1 mm or above without dermatologist consultation. And remember, derma rollers greater than 0.3 mm in length are not approved by the FDA, that is the Food and Drug Administration Department. Now, what size is recommended for hair loss treatment? For hair growth, to use it on a receding hairline or even to grow on a patchy beard, you can use 0.25 mm weekly twice or 0.5 mm derma roller weekly once. They come in stainless steel or titanium needles, and the titanium needles are more durable. And the next part of this video is very important. Please watch carefully and stay hooked till the end. How to use derma roller for baldness treatment? Well, first of all, you must remember to take some precautions on every use to avoid chances of infection. The first precaution is either use a fresh box pack derma roller every time or disinfect it by soaking in 70% isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol. Soak it approximately for 10 to 15 minutes before every use. You can also use 6% hydrogen peroxide solution, which is easily available from your local medical store. Derma roller is a very inexpensive device and costs anywhere between $5 to $10. You can purchase it even online. I have provided the links in the description below the video. Well, the next precaution to be aware of is never use somebody else's derma roller on yourself. This can transfer infections including HIV, hepatitis B, C, and though it's very rare, it's better to take safety precautions. Also be aware, some cheap quality derma roller needles can break into your skin. Not too much to worry about if the size is less than 0.5 mm. Then wash your face with a mild soap before starting the procedure. Then local anesthetic gel or cream or what you call as the numbing cream is not required for 0.5 mm or less because it will not cause any pain. Now, how to use derma rollers? Nothing complicated, just place the device on your receding hairline or the bald patch and roll it 6 to 10 times in each direction in different directions. Just to make sure you're covering the entire skin for best results. Keep it like 1 square inch every time. Roll it in vertical direction 6 to 10 times like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then change to horizontal direction and roll again 6 to 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then optionally repeat it in diagonally opposite direction if you wish. That's it. The same derma rollers can be used for acne scar removal or even depigmentation on face. You can additionally apply fresh aloe vera gel or vitamin C serum for much better results, especially on face. Now, before the secret miracle combo treatment for hair loss, I shall list out some side effects of this derma rolling. Nothing much. The area may develop redness for a couple of hours or more. That's completely normal, nothing to panic. And then also skin may appear a bit swollen and hot for a few hours. If irritation persists, please consult a doctor. Also, do not use if you have any bleeding tendencies. Then finally, the magic treatment for hair loss. Derma Roller combination with minoxidil has shown great results according to many studies. So what's the protocol? You use 0.25 or 0.3 mm Derma Roller weekly once initially, then weekly twice along with minoxidil solution. You can apply minoxidil before derma rolling or after derma rolling. It doesn't really matter. You should see the results in 3 to 6 months. This has also been successfully used in androgenetic alopecia, alopecia areata, and also hair loss in women. You can also combine mesotherapy with anti-hair loss solution and PRP, that is platelet-rich plasma therapy, with the derma rollers. You can watch my detailed video on how PRP and mesotherapy is done from this end screen link circled right here. So there you have it, folks. Please give a thumbs up if you like the video. Also share and comment below the video with your feedback to support the channel. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. Stay healthy.